Today, I'll walk you through how to link your digital planner to Google Calendar, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to connect these two powerful tools so you can streamline your scheduling and never miss an important date again. Let's get started. First, you'll want to search for your favorite digital planning app. For this tutorial, we will use Todoist as an example. If you're unfamiliar with Todoist, don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The process is generally the same across various digital planners. Once you've found Todoist, click on it to open the app. This is where the magic begins. You'll need to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one. After logging in, look for the menu on the left side of your screen. This is your navigation hub. From here, you'll want to click on the Settings option. Inside the settings, simply look for the Calendars section. This is where you will manage your calendar integrations. Now click on Connect Google Calendar. This step is crucial as it establishes the link between your digital planner and Google Calendar. Next, you will be prompted to choose your Google account. Make sure to select the account that you want to sync with Todoist. After selecting your account, you will see a permission request. Just accept the request and click Continue. This step ensures that both apps are properly integrated with each other, allowing for seamless updates and notifications. Finally, double-check if the app is properly in sync with Google Calendar. You can do this by checking your calendar events in both Todoist and Google Calendar to ensure they match. And there you have it. You've successfully linked your digital planner to Google Calendar. This integration will help you stay organized and keep all your tasks and appointments in one place. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any snags, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.